Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can know who blocked you on Twitter. So before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once a new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing, for us to see the list of the person who you have blocked, what you can do is you can click on this three line, you can click on setting and privacy, content preference, blocked account. So over here all the account which you have blocked are going to be shown over here, but since I haven't blocked anybody, no one is being shown over here. So that's basically how you guys can view the account which you blocked. But to know like who blocked you, basically Twitter is not going to send you a notification if somebody blocks you. Alright, so and there is no button through which you can go and see like where it's going to show you a list of the person who have blocked you as well. That's not how Twitter works. So basically, to know if somebody has blocked you, you need to know their full Twitter handle or their ad username, their full username. And after knowing the full username, basically what you have to do is search for it. So let's say if Messi had blocked me, I can just type here. This is just an example. He hasn't blocked me. So let's say I go on Team Messi after knowing his full Twitter handle. I go to his profile. Right now I'm not blocked, but if I was blocked, it would say your account has been blocked by this user and nothing would be displayed over here. Okay, so that's the only way you guys can know it. Like, you guys need to know the full Twitter handle of the person and search for it, and after searching for it, visit his profile and it's going to show you you are blocked. If it shows you are blocked, that means you are blocked. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can view who blocked you on Twitter. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. If you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.